So you want some simple Python. These are two files. This file contains some text here, a lot of lines. So what I want to do is to count these lines with a Python script, right? So I am so lazy to count them manually. So how to do that? Let's open up this file. I've already created here some Python code, just some lines here. First it says that we declare the variable e, and we open the file with open this file name, right? It's this file, and read the file as if this is the object that contains this file. Now this variable will contain all the lines of this file in a list, right? And with a simple for loop we can count all of these lines of the file. So for line in lines, each line increment e by 1. So at the end, print this e, right? Print this e. Now let's see what's happening if we execute the file. In Sublime we just click Ctrl B and we see that we have 186 country in that file or line in that file. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.